Hello, let me show you some camera tips and tricks for Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. The first thing that I want to show you is the fun mode. In this mode you can create different funny filters which are borrowed from Snapchat. So if you use Snapchat, then you know those filters, you may recognize some of them, or you basically know how they work. So you can create funny photos by using those filters. In addition to that, another thing that you can do is if you go to video mode, then over here you have this person icon, which allows you to turn on the super steady mode. Of course, you can toggle it on and off really quickly. Furthermore, if you go to the photo mode, over here in the top right side we have this icon, which allows you to turn on motion photo, which means that if you do something before you take a photo, then that moment will be captured. So once you open the photo, you have the view motion photo option. And as you can see, we have captured a moment that consists of a couple of seconds even. Another thing is that you can switch from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels by tapping on this number over here at the top next to the live or motion photo. However, the motion photo doesn't work in 50 megapixels, and you cannot zoom in and zoom out with 50 megapixel lenses as well. Now let's go to more. Over here we have a pretty cool mode that is called single take, and if you tap over here in the top right corner, you will see that you can capture multiple things at once, like highlight videos, boomerang clips, and so on and so forth. So let's try that out. Let's start recording. We have 10 seconds, and of course we can stop in the meantime. And now once we open this photo, over here we have the details. We have the single take, we can swipe it up, I think, or just tap on it, and we can see the original photo or original video, the fast forward clip, the boomerang clip, and so on. Sometimes there's more, sometimes there's less. It depends on how much time you actually spend in this mode and for how long you record it. So I think that is also pretty cool. Now let's go back to the photo mode. If you wish to capture multiple photos at once, what you can do is use the burst photo mode or burst shot. In order to do so, you need to drag the shutter button towards the bottom like so, and then you will capture multiple photos at once. And speaking about taking photos, you can also, of course, use, for instance, volume up or volume down in order to capture a photo. However, if you go to the camera settings, then you should be able to find shooting methods. And over here you can switch the functionality of the volume button. So of course you can use it to take a picture or record a video, but also you can use it to zoom in and zoom out. So now if I go back, and if I use volume up, then I will zoom in, and if I press volume down, I will zoom out. And in addition to that, you can also completely turn off the functionality of this button by choosing sound volume. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!